English coffee time. Normal versus advanced. Noisy. Raucous. Quiet. Serene. Dark. Obscure. Light. Luminous. Big. Colossal. Small. Diminutive. Child. Adolescent. Adult. Mature. Day. Diurnal. Night. Nocturnal. Love. Adoration. Hate. Abhorrence. Win. Triumph. Lose. Defeat. Eat. Consume. Drink. Imbibe. Talk. Converse. Walk. Stroll. Run. Sprint. See. Perceive. Look. Gaze. Say. Utter. Think. Ponder. Get. Acquire. Give. Bestow. Have. Possess. Make. Fabricate. Break. Shatter. Stop. Halt. Continue. Persevere. Go. Proceed. Show. Demonstrate. Hide. Conceal. Find. Discover. Lose. Misplace. Die. Perish. Sleep. Slumber. Wake. Awaken. Buy. Purchase. Sell. Vend. Use. Utilize. Help. Assist. Hurt. Injure. Tell. Narrate. Ask. Inquire. Leave. Depart. Come. Arrive. Poor. Impoverished. Childish. Infantile. Get married. Tie a knot. Very rarely. Once in a blue moon. Secret. Under wraps. Wasting time. Faffing around. Meet. Catch up. Intelligent. Profound. Stupid. Imbecilic. Excellent. Superb. Hungry. Starving. Very happy. Over the moon. Very busy. Swamped. Angry. Pissed off. Very tired. Exhausted. Fell asleep. Nodded off. Thank you for watching.